Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows Update is stuck at 0%. So if it just basically isn't installing updates, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving this without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So what we're going to do first is open up the Start menu. Just go ahead and lock on the Start button one time. Type in File Explorer. Best managed to come back with File Explorer right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and now go under your local disk where Windows is installed on. It should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive. Just go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing for the Windows folder. Same thing for software distribution. And then there should be a download folder. Go ahead and double click on that. Now you want to delete whatever's in here, so just highlight over everything, right click, and then delete. And then once that's done, attempt to relaunch the Windows Update utility once again, and hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem. Another thing you go ahead and try here would be to close out of there, open up the Start menu, type in Services. Best match, I'll go back with Services, listed right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Locate the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic, and the service status is stopped. You want to select the start option and then select apply and OK. Do the same thing for the Windows Update service. Double click on that. Again, automatic or automatic delayed start, doesn't really matter too much to me. Go ahead and select the start option, and then once that's done, select OK. Close out of here. Attempt to relaunch the Windows Update utility, see if that has resolved the problem. A further thing you can try here would be to open up the Start menu once again, type in Troubleshoot. Again, Troubleshoot Settings, go ahead and select that. Underneath Get Up and Running, select Windows Update, resolve problems that would prevent you from updating Windows, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay guys, so troubleshooting has completed. It appears it has detected and fixed certain items. Select Close. Let's just restart your computer and then attempt to run Windows Update once again, and hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.